Hello, friends. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, this is a software engineering position for all the batches from 21 to 25, and the salary you can expect is around 12 to 24 lakhs. So, this is a great opportunity with the company called Quest Global, which is a global engineering services provider, right? That provide engineering solutions to large number of industries and complex engineering problems. So, this company is headquartered in Singapore, and it has a global workforce of 21,000 employees in 20 countries, right? So it's a very good multinational company for engineers, which want to get into the engineering solution. This is the good option. So this company was founded in 1997 Singapore, and it was founded again, the co-founder as Indian, like Ajit Prabhu. And if you talk about service they offer, basically is end-to-end engineering solutions. So it can be mechanical, embedded software, digital, and operations and supply chain management. So all of the engineering branch students can apply here, and they have solutions across every engineering field. So focus area is towards the platform engineering, cloud and data engineering. Also they are now into AI and generative AI solutions, then a lot of mechanical product design and analysis softwares, and they also have sustenance engineering and after marketing support related softwares. So again, they operate in most of the highly regulated industry sector. So the aerospace and defense, very few companies in India will have this segment as its high priority. So they have very good engineering solutions in aerospace, automotive industry, energy and utilities, including oil and gas, and then high tech sector, medtech, which is medical technologies and healthcare, railways, they have the engineering solutions, and semiconductors, the new area which is booming up, there also they have good solutions. So definitely Quest Global opening, which I'm going to talk from their careers Quest Global page, right? And this is excellent opportunity. The profile itself is called QA engineer, manual testing plus knowledge in Python is what they are expecting. And if you can see, the job location is Pune, and the job code is P113240, and this is again the full time position available for all the batch students I mentioned. So roles and responsibilities in this is about requirement analysis, test design and test case preparation, testing and reporting issues, documentation, and the test automation. That is the five areas you will be doing mostly in the testing part of it. So work experience wise, they are looking for somebody who is analyzing and understanding software functional requirement specification, ensuring that quality of design test cases for high coverage, and you should have a basic knowledge of automation using Python and BDD, right? Preferably behave software. You should also get involved in identifying and reporting defects, work with teams for quality and timely deliveries. You will be required to creation and verification, validation, and trace metrics, right, based on projects needs, and adhere to quality management system QMS. Some experience in CI/CD, which is continuous integration and continuous development, would be advantage. And on the soft skill part, good communication and documentation skills and work experience on system used in any healthcare industry is a plus, but not compulsory. Since it's a testing role, quality management role, good understanding of defect management procedure and tools will be required. Demonstrated understanding of problem solving techniques. Had desired skills is like healthcare domain knowledge, knowledge in scripting languages. So this is the position QA engineer, manual testing plus knowledge in Python, right? P113240. If you are now interested, I can tell you the link as well as how you apply. So basically, you can apply either through LinkedIn, through Dropbox, or upload resume from your desktop, right? Any of the modes you choose. If you select your profile, then it will get populated with your first name and the last name, which is some compulsory field. You will also have to enter your email ID, which will be used for communication. Similarly, mobile number is a compulsory field. You have to select your country country, which is will be India for this role, and you have to add your work experience, between 0 to 4 years, whatever you have, you can apply for this role. And at the end, you will be asked to add your education level, and then there will be a checkbox, consent to receive, and SMS notification about the Quest Global, etc. So that is the, and then you will see the submit button where you can apply for this. So this is part of careers.global Quest Global Job. So you can see this is a direct link which you will find in the description box, and which you can apply. So that's all I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates on the experience as well as the freshers job opening across India. Take care and bye.